Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you a really big spring clothing haul. So I started shopping for spring around the beginning of February, and I've made a few different purchases from a bunch of different retailers, and I'm so excited to share with you kind of my vibe for spring, what I've been loving, and to show you everything that I got. So it's kind of funny, I definitely stuck in a color palette for sure. Like, it's a lot of pinks, a lot of blues, and a lot of whites. But let's just go ahead and get started, and I can't wait to show you guys all the things I got for spring. Okay, so the first retailer that I shopped was Urban Outfitters, and I basically got the exact same thing, but in a shirt and a dress. So this first thing is a hot pink little cotton one-shoulder dress. This is actually from the brand Urban Outfitters, and this was $49. Actually on sale the other day I saw for like $29, but I already owned it, so that stinks. But they have a ton of different colors. I just feel like this is like the perfect little dress. I'm going to Miami for a bachelorette party in a week. So if you'll notice, some of the stuff is like a little bit more like going out looking. That's for that. And then the rest of the stuff is like everyday use. But I just think that this is like precious. I think I can wear this all summer long. And I just think with like a pair of chunky gold hoops, it's just so cute. Then I picked up the tee, and I actually had an outfit in mind. This is not for the bachelorette party. This I think is just a great transition piece and then something that I will wear all summer long. But I actually got it to wear with these jeans. I don't know if you can see them, but they are some Levi's that are like more of like a boyfriend mom fit, really ripped up at the bottom. And I just thought this tucked in with that, a cute little bag, maybe like a pair of cool sunglasses, some fun earrings would be really, really cute. And I just love this. I think they also have this in other colors, but I love the crisp, clean white. The next retailer that I shopped was Revolve, and I actually got this really cute. It's kind of similar to the other top, but in a color shirt. This is from the brand Super Down, which is like one of their more affordable brands. I believe this was like $30 some, which I just thought again was really cute with a pair of jeans or like with a jean skirt. And I just think that this is so cute, or with white. I love this one shoulder. I love this like sweater looking material, but it's super thin so it won't be too hot. And I love the little tie detail. I feel like if you just like wear your hair up, let that kind of show off, would be really cute. This is my more like going out shirt. I definitely will not be wearing this like on the regular, but I needed, I think I have it on here wrong. Yes. Okay. I needed a like fun going out shirt for one of the evenings. So this is like a crisscross top, and then, so this is like the front where your boobs would go. And then, can you guys see? Am I doing this wrong? And then that's the back. It's just like a normal tank top back. Okay, so the front has this little like keyhole cut out, and it's a bodysuit, which I would wear with like a leather skirt, leather pants, jeans, anything. I can even wear it to like date night with friends. So this is by the brand By the Way, which is another one of their really affordable lines. They have really cute stuff. If you are like having a girls trip and you need some outfits, By the Way, Super Down, and About Us, I believe, I could be wrong about the last one, are some lines on Revolve that you can get like stuff under $100 and really, really cute, trendy, cool pieces. And then the last thing that I got is, this is Super Down again. This is a size small. Just this really, really cute little, like, I don't know, peasant looking scrunchy top. So you can definitely wear it two ways. So I feel like you can either wear it like off the shoulder like this or like this. I kind of like this square neckline. I just think this would be really cute with a pair of like white jeans, or even regular denim, or like a jean skirt. I feel like I can definitely get some use out of this, and we'll wear this like all summer long. This is like a perfect date night look, a good going out top, and I love this like powder blue color. Next, I picked up a new pair of white jeans. These are from Everlane. I feel like my style of denim, has changed a lot this year, and I am really into more like straight leg denim and kind of frayed denim at the bottom, and less skinny jean on me. I still like skinny jeans, but I just love that look so much. And if you guys follow Fashion Jackson, she like always raves about Everlane, and she talks about these high-rise kick crop jeans. So they're more straight leg, they fray at the bottom, they fit so well, and they're not like a crisp white, but they are like a, I don't know what it's called bones. They're like a bone denim. And I just think with some of the tops that I just showed, and like a cute belt, a cute hat for summer, even in the winter, I love winter white with like some cute different tops, or even sweaters. I just love these. I love that they're not like too straight, but they kind of flare out a little at the bottom, which makes your legs look really nice and long, and I just absolutely love these. And they're under $100, so I think Everlane could be a really great option. I've never tried any of their stuff before, but she posts it all the time and like always looks so cute. And yeah, these were $78, so a pretty good price for a denim. Then I picked up 2 pairs of Levi's, and I was intending on returning 1 pair because they had a 30% off sale recently, and then I brought them both home and I love them both. So these are the wedgie high-rise snug tapered leg ripped jean. And these are like the perfect like mom trendy jean that you're seeing right now. I got more of a mid-wash in these. I absolutely love them. I sized up to a 27 in these, which Levi's are really hard, guys. Like these will probably stretch out and I'll be like, I wish I got a 26, but to wear them comfortably like after a wash, I can't. Like, I don't even know. I don't understand. Like, I have probably 3 different sizes in all different Levi's in my collection, and I don't understand. But these wedgie fit are like the most comfortable because they have the most stretch, but I still love some of the looks of the other designs. So these ones, can you see these? Okay, so then these that I'm wearing, these are just like a mom straight leg fit, and I absolutely love these. Again, I size up to 27. They're button fly. I made Franco cut they did not have a raw hem when I purchased them. So they had a regular jean hem, but I just thought because they were so frayed and distressed, sorry, that it would look better with like a, I don't know, like more raw edge cut. So I had Franco just cut the bottom off. I cut it right above the line, so I didn't make them any shorter. This is the way that they came. But yeah, they're just so cute. I just can't believe like I didn't have a pair like this previously. Like I have mom jeans and stuff, but these are more dressy. I feel like I wore them last night to date night with like a cute little like silky cami and some heels, and I felt dressed up even though they're kind of ripped up and distressed, if that makes any sense. So next, this was a very specific purchase from H&M. I went on there looking for a red sweater and a pink sweater, and I actually got this in black too, but I forgot to bring it in here. So I got this in 2 colors. So this is just like such a plain casual, so cute just to tuck in with like the jeans I'm wearing and some cute shoes, which I will show you. And I don't know, just like sandals, even with shorts if you're just like chilly at night. These are just really nice basic tops, and I believe they were like $12.99. It comes in like almost every color. It feels really nice. The black one I've been wearing a lot to like work and just, you know, different places like that. And I just feel like I'll get a ton of use out of this in the spring. I think the light pink is really girly and cute. And then I wanted a red sweater. I had one from Target that I just didn't get in the right size, and it just looked weird on me. And it was very high neck and like balloony and like not just like basic. I wanted something super basic, so I love the color red. So I picked this one up, and this was, I believe, like $24.99. Got this in a size small. It's so soft. If you guys know I'm obsessed with the Something Navy sweaters. This feels like, I mean, a little thinner and maybe a little cheaper, but it's a quarter of the price, and it's so nice. Like it's the exact same fit. I mean, it's amazing. And I got them very specifically to wear with. So next we are on to Nordstrom. These Something Navy flats. I just think these are the cutest little shoe for spring. I absolutely love them. They are pink and red, so like everything I got literally is pink and red. But I want to wear both of those sweaters with these and a pair of jeans. I just think, how cute is that? Like I can't even get enough. I just think it's so adorable. And these are just amazing. We have them in a couple different colors, but I just love these. I thought this was so unique and cute because I also think it will look so good with white. And then I'm actually wearing one of the other shirts that I got from Something Navy. This is like a balloon sleeve tee, but I believe it's sold out, so I didn't want to like talk about it too much. But she is coming out with a new line in February, and I believe she's relaunching this shirt in a few colors. I just feel like it's so cute, and like it's just like a t-shirt, but it definitely is elevated and cool, and I don't know, I just love that look. And then 3 other things from Something Navy. Oh gosh, I have a problem. Okay, so tie-dye. So sticking with the color theme, but tie-dye. So this really cute pink and yellow sweater is Something Navy. This launched in her February collection. Tie-dye is everywhere now. Like I was kind of like, oh, tie-dye. But I do love like basics like this that are elevated and that look a little bit more unique and different, that I can just wear with jeans and feel like I put together a good outfit, and that's what these are. Like this blue one as well, I love this with denim, so I had to get the blue one also. I really initially planned to just keep one, but I couldn't. I could not pick which one I wanted to send back, and it's like 50 bucks. I just think I'll get use out of this. I think they're great for summer too, for like a chillier night. With some shorts or white denim, and I just love it. And then I had to get this little tee because these are only $25, and they're one of the softest t-shirts ever. Like they're such good quality. I have the gray one, and so when I saw that she had a tie-dye one, I thought perfect for summer. Like throw it over a bathing suit on the beach, or just like to run an errand in the summer with some shorts and a cute little hat. I just love basics like this. I can also wear stuff like this to work. I think I've mentioned to you guys a million times, but I could wear this with a pair of white denim and like sneakers to work, and so for me, I can get more use out of it. So I picked up a bathing suit from Topshop, and I just love this look. I just love like basics, clean, crisp whites. So this really cute bottom, it's just like a plain white bottom, and then this little just like almost like tank top looking top, and I just absolutely love it. I feel like this and this is so cute because if you wear like high-waisted shorts, for example, you'll look kind of like you have like a little shirt on, and I just like that for like going to grab like a snack or lunch. My gym actually here has a pool, and sometimes it's nice like to not have to put a full outfit together. Like I could just wear this and throw on some shorts and go out to the pool. So I love that. This is probably my favorite purchase. This is a little bag that I picked up from Topshop, and it looks so nice. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's that expensive, but it looks like it is, and it's so on trend. It has like this tortoise shell. It's that like little bag vibe. I just feel like in Miami, like with, I don't know, any of my outfits, just having this little bag is gonna be so key. And then it also comes with this like gold chain strap, and I feel like it actually, for once, like hits at the best spot. Like how cute is that? Even with this outfit, I think it's just so cute. It definitely like makes you have that like summer, spring vibe. Even on an outfit that could kind of be more transitional, and it's just so nice, and I think it will fit a lot. It will definitely fit my phone, a pair of sunglasses, a lipstick, and a powder, tampon, gum, whatever else you may need. It definitely looks roomier inside than you know, some of my other going out bags, which is awesome. And last but not least, I picked up this cute little dress. This is super basic, but again, stuff that I feel like I will get a ton of use out of in the spring. In the summer, I feel like I can wear this with like a little jean jacket and a cute pair of sandals. And then in the summer with like no jacket and like a cute hat, that bag. This is from the brand BP at Nordstrom. I believe it was like $39, and I got this in a small. And I think it will hit like, yeah, right like knee length. And I just think, so cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my haul. Please let me know what you guys have been shopping for this spring. I'd love to go check it out. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you are new. I would love for you to join my little family here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.